Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to go over kind of a unique function. I have not used it a lot, I just recently discovered it, but I can see how it could be hugely helpful if you're trying to create a certain import template or trying to format your data in a certain way to be able to differentiate it or import it. Bit of a unique use case, but I can definitely see how it would be helpful. So what the text join function is what we're going to talk about today, and what it does is it joins together data in multiple cells. That's, if you've seen the other videos, that's a fairly common thing in Excel, but what the text join function separates itself from all the others is that it provides a deliminator between the data that's provided. So let's just jump right into it, and hopefully that will help explain what I'm talking about. So the text join function, and then our first thing we're going to define is the deliminator. So we'll just make sure we put quotes around it, and we'll use a comma in this situation. Then the next thing you're going to put in is whether you're going to ignore empty cells or include empty cells. So right now we're just going to ignore. And then the text, we'll just select our text range here, hit enter, and you can see that it combined all of the text within our text range and put the delimiter between it. So we have a 53 comma because it's the end of the cell, next cell, next cell. You can see it excluded that blank. If we were to go back and to change that to show the blank, then it will put in a blank cell in there. So we have comma, blank, comma, showing that there is a blank cell within there. So what's hugely powerful with this is the delimiter can be anything we want. We can have it be a dash, we can have it actually be words, word, and you can see that it's just going to throw that word or whatever we put in between those quotation marks into the area between each cell. So hugely powerful. A lot of unique use cases that this could be a huge time saver on. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to throw them in the comments below, and check out my other videos if you have any other Excel situations that you're looking for help on. Thanks.